What's the meaning of conger eel? Conger eel. Conger eel.
Conger eel. Conger eel. A conger eel is a type of large, predatory eel found in oceans around the world. They are carnivorous and feed on fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods. The conger eel can grow up to 3 meters in length and weigh up to 110 kilograms. They have a long, slender body, smooth skin, and a snake-like appearance. Conger eels are popular in many cuisines and can be grilled, baked, or smoked. However, some species of conger eels are overfished or endangered due to habitat loss and other threats.